and welcome to Audacious City Church. My name's Michelle and this is Harry.
Hello.
And we are your hosts for the evening.
We truly are.
Not really the evening, just like this 2 minutes.
Just for this 4 minutes of Audacious TV, we're the hosts.
Yeah.
All that aside, you know, we're going to tell you what's happening over the next few weeks. But last week, on Wednesday, we had a great time at Life Groups. My one was, as always, awesome as ever. How was yours, Michelle? I heard some rumours.
That it was even awesomer.
It is. Well, keep watching the screens.
Do this competition, really, do you think?
No, because we're one family, aren't we? So,
yeah.
If you're at a life group, make some noise now. Woo! And keep watching the screens, because this is
Audacious TV.
So that's ATV. We hope you have a great week. We will see you at Wednesday Church, which is Life Pods. My life pod that I go to is probably one of the most awesome. If you're into golf, I encourage you to come along to the golf pod because we play golf.
Wow, that is novel right there. I'm part of Chill Pod. Very, very good.
We've all heard about your Chill Pod.
It's quite different to golf.
Oh, it's winning Nobel Prizes and
It is.
things like that. So that's
Awards.
Wednesday Church. What's happening Saturday?
On Saturday, Harry, we've got Bling. So we're going to be blinging it up at Bling. And it's always, always, always brilliant. So I really don't need to say any more because all the women know how amazing it is.
No, we'll see you next week. Have a great evening.
Yeah. Bye.
Goodbye.